welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. So today we are obviously, from the title, working with the skincare brand Mamonde. Now, I've never worked with their products before, but I've heard really good things about them. The 3 products we're going to be working with today just became available in a trio bundle, which is why I'm super excited to review them for y'all and see if they are worth your money. I have chosen a Pore Clearing Trio. That is one of the most exciting forms of cleaning my face, I think, is out there. Anything that can suck the dirt out, that can just remove all those impurities in my face, definitely is appealing to me. So if you're ready to dive into this video and see how these products work, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. Now let's do this. So we are still in quarantine. Honestly, it's kind of just becoming the new norm. I'm keeping myself super busy doing some awesome collabs, doing a lot of giveaways on my Instagram page. If you do not follow me on Instagram, here's my handle. Make sure to go follow me. I do giveaways all the time and they are really good. So definitely keep up with some of those to possibly win some free goodies. And been creating some fun content for you guys. So I actually haven't minded it that much. I do miss modeling a lot, but I've kind of just adapted to the situation we're given and I'm modeling online. Yeah. So anyways, let's talk about what products I'm gonna be showing y'all today. I'm gonna show y'all in order of the way I'm gonna use them. So the first is this Pore Cleaning Clay Mask by Mamonde. Obviously everything we're talking about today is from Mamonde. Okay, it's like literally pointless in showing you these products in the video because the lights are so blinding. So I'm just gonna insert a photo right here so you can see what I am talking about. The second product we're gonna be talking about is their Pore Clean Stick. Yep, still can't see it, but this is interesting. It actually looks like a little deodorant, like a microscopic deodorant. Never used something like this on my face before, so really anxious to see how that works. And then I'm going to end it out with their pore cleaning toner. I'm not even going to put it in the frame because you won't be able to see it. I'll just insert a photo right here of what it looks like. But this is our little trio for today. This is supposed to be a pore focused trio. It is a K-Beauty brand. I have been loving the K-Beauty brand products I've been reviewing lately. They're really strong. They're very concentrated. They seem to just work pretty darn well. Don't get me wrong, love my American brands too, but just really been interested in seeing what some other styles of brands have come up with. So I'm gonna go ahead and dampen my face just a tad. My face is all clean, I have nothing on it, and just get a little bit of water before I go in with the clay mask. Really fast before I do that, I want to talk about the price and size. So these products separately, I believe, cost $63. Let me just double confirm that for you. Yes. These products separately cost $63, which is not bad at all for 3 full-sized products. That's the great cost. But they just made this entire bundle, the toner, the face mask, and the pore cleaning stick, available on their website in a little bit of a smaller size, but all 3 products together are only $22 in their smaller bundle. So that's a great way to just test it out yourself, to get all 3 products in a like travel size almost. They're a little bit bigger than travel size, but they're not like the full, this is a big toner bottle. So they're like kind of right in the middle, but still $22 for all 3 products just to try it out yourself to see if it works for you is awesome. And then all 3 of these full size products, they're $63, which is still really good. The only product that's obviously travel friendly, traveling, what's that like? I don't know. Anyways, when we can all experience what traveling is like again. The only products that you will be able to travel with, the Pore Clean Stick and the Pore Clean Mask actually is 0.2 fluid ounces under the allowed travel size. So you can still travel with this. It's 3.38 fluid ounces. You can get on with anything under 3.4. So we are good to go here. And the toner is the only thing that's too big. So you will need to get the travel size version of this, which, like I said, they have it on their website. Anyways, I'm gonna go wet my face and we're gonna start with the clay mask. Alrighty, my face is damp. Now let's go ahead and, this is my first time even opening the product. Ooh, that lid is on really well. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this smells fresh. It just smells like fresh. I hate when fresh doesn't have an actual scent to it, but it's just like that nice clean smell. It's very thick, it's very full. This seems like it'll last a while. Oh, I love these kind of masks. Okay, let's go ahead and put this everywhere. Ooh. This is like a creamier mask than I'm used to. I really like the way this applies. I can feel the little particles, like the scrubby particles, as I apply it. Those feel great. Okay, so this product applied so incredibly nicely. It felt like butter going on. I'm anxious to see really how well it cleans my pores after this because it feels fabulous on my skin. It really feels like a thick cream. It smells lovely. It doesn't burn at all. And I did not use that much of the product. I dipped a lot because I was layering it on really thinly, but this is a great size container. Like this, with how much I just used, will probably last me a few months, which is awesome for how, you know, inexpensive the product actually is. So it says to leave this on for about 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do that, see if it needs more time to harden, and yeah, then we'll talk about it a little bit and continue on with the rest of our products. Okay guys, so I left it on a little bit longer than it said. It's been about 15 minutes, and I was a little concerned because it was not hardening up. It's still very like dewy, and I thought that it needed more time than what was on the packaging, which that would be annoying if the instructions were incorrect. But I checked, and it does say this is a soft clay mask, so it's not supposed to get like rock solid. It's supposed to get a little more firm, but still keep its dewiness. So it has been enough time. It's been on for 15 minutes, so I'm gonna wash it off and then we're gonna go in with our toner. Whew, okay, so I just washed it off, and let me tell ya, those little micro bead particles that are inside the clay mask come to life when you wash it off your face. I always like to wash face masks off with my hands. I know some people like to just get a hot towel and like put it right on their face, but I'm so glad I didn't do that with this one, because those little micro bead particles did just like the perfect gentle scrub when I was taking it off. And between the scrubbing and the really hot water I used, I feel like my face got like an extra boosted clean right at the end when I was taking my face mask off. So if the rest of the products work the same way as this clay mask did, we're in for a solid approved review. I would totally recommend this clay mask. This is such a great like once a week fresh brightening exfoliating type of mask. The price point's great. It worked really well. My face is super duper soft, like insanely soft right now. Love this clay mask. Like my face is living and thriving right now. So let's move on to our toner. That is the next step. And for this, I will be using my cotton balls. So hopefully I can do my whole face with maximum 2 cotton balls, but we shall see. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to link, of course, all of the products down below and some ingredients. So if you're interested in knowing a little bit more of the health facts, just look at the description and it'll all be there. All right, first time I'm opening it, taking the plastic off. Ooh. This has a fresh smell as well. It almost smells like some kind of flower. I can't put my name on it. But this definitely has a scent. We'll see if this irritates my face at all. Oh, energy derived from flowers. Okay, well, no wonder it has a flower scent. The strength of beauty can be discovered in flowers. How sweet. Okay, so the benefits of this is oil control, and this is meant for oily skin. So I'm all about this. I get pretty oily, like around my T-zone, kind of like where most people get oily, and it's real rough for me. Like in the morning, I look like a plastic doll. That's how oily I get. So let's see how well this controls that. Anxious to see if this burns at all. Oh my god, it smells amazing. And I have a few little open blemishes right here, as y'all can tell, so we will be able to see if it burns it. Nope, no burn, no burning. Yay. Wow, this feels really nice. Let's see if it removes any extra dirt. Always anxious. Ooh, yeah, there's some dirt coming off. I'm gonna get another cotton ball. The hole in this is really tiny in the bottle, so I have to go like this like a million times. That would be my only critique so far, I guess. But if the bottle is the worst thing, then we're good. Did you guys notice I'm wearing a green shirt to match the green skincare? See what I did there? See, it's the details. It's all in the details, guys. It's the little things. I'm all about it. Okay, so these two cotton balls, I don't know if y'all can tell, but they are brown. It's not cute, but that's good. It means it's removed an extra layer of dirt that obviously we don't want. It did not burn. My face feels really fresh. It has a nice little tack to it, like a little stick to it. So it doesn't feel stripped at all. A lot of times toners can strip your face and make it feel really, really bare. My face does not feel stripped at all. It's kind of interesting that this is a like de-shiner toner and my face actually feels really hydrated. That was kind of the last thing I expected to feel, but Mamonde's got some magic up their sleeve, so I'm not gonna question it. I'm just gonna enjoy it. Great product, great pricing, really big bottle. This was my first time using it. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's right to there, like where the line of how much I've used is. It's like right there. So this will probably get me at least almost to 2 months of use, which is great. I'm really impressed by the cost of their products and the quality. I definitely think beauty on a budget is so easily accomplishable, and I have reviewed other products that kind of had similar price points to these and they didn't work. So I always get a little bit concerned with these types of price points, but I really think brands that care about the customer most and put the customer first always are able to accomplish like a good price point with quality stuff. Now, is it going to be the best quality in the entire planet? No, it's going to be a little less, but that's what you get for paying that low of a price, and I think that's totally reasonable. So Mamonde, I am loving your price point and I'm loving your products. So we're going to go in with the Pore Cleaning Stick. This is the last guy, the little one that literally looks like a deodorant, and it has that spinny thing just like deodorant. And I'm not entirely sure like exactly how to apply this, so I'm gonna just read on their website real fast how to use it to make sure I am applying it correctly. It says, after cleansing, gently rub stick directly onto a wet face, focusing on areas of concern: nose, T-zone, chin. Massage the product into the skin, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Okay, good. I'm glad I read that because I did not know I needed wet skin. And this is supposed to be really rough. So it says to only apply to areas of concern, which is like the center area. So pores, nose, that area. So I'm gonna go dampen my face and then we're going to see how this works. Okay, face is dampened. Let's go to town. Huh. This is not like scrubby at all. I thought it was gonna be really rough. That's why I only wanted us to use it on the rough parts of our skin. Oh wait. Okay, there it goes. So the little particles, like the little beads, are in the stick. So as you wear out like the jelly part around the particles and they come out, they get a little bit rough. So I just started to feel it. I can feel it. Ooh, yeah, I can feel it now. Yeah, don't use this on any other part of your face that's not tough skin. When these little particles come out, it is rough. I literally feel like I'm putting deodorant on my face. And let's see, chin. Ew. My chin is actually like the dirtiest part of my face. I don't know how it happens, but every time I go in at night to clean my face, like my chin is just, all my pores are filled up with dirt. So that's always my concern area. Wow. This is like getting rougher as I use it. I feel like this is almost like a scrub. It's really interesting how they Holy crap. This is like dead skin coming off. I'm kind of shocked. I'm not gonna lie. Hello, deodorant skin pore clean stick. Okay. I don't want to use it too much more. I'm getting like, if you are obsessed with cleaning your pores and stuff, you could easily just spend all day scrubbing your face off, but don't want to overuse it. So that was basically this. It's really simple. It's like the easiest step, and I like it a lot actually. So now I'm just supposed to leave my face the way it is. If it was nighttime, I would put a lotion on my face, which I am going to do actually. Since we are sticking with the Korean skincare theme, I'm gonna go in with my Iope cream. I did a review video on this about 2 weeks ago. I'll put it right here for you if you have not seen it. But holy smokes, I'm kind of shocked at this trio. It's kind of insane. So I'm just gonna put this cream on real fast, and then we're gonna talk about final thoughts on this Mamonde Pore Cleaning Trio. Okay, so I just forgot, it said to rinse off the stuff from the pore cleaning stick, which I didn't do. I put the cream on right afterwards, so I will go rinse it off later because I definitely don't want to keep a product on my skin that shouldn't be on there for too long. But anyways, recap of this pore cleaning trio. I absolutely love it. I think the pore clay mask is fantastic. Like this once a week will keep your skin bright, will keep it smooth, will keep it lifted. The toner I would put in the category of definitely one of the better toners that I have. It smells lovely, it's tightening, it did not dry my skin out, which that is probably the hardest part of finding a good toner, is one that doesn't just strip your skin away. It actually felt more hydrated after I used it, even though this is supposed to minimize the appearance of oily skin. And then the pore cleaning stick, this is the coolest concept. I love it. I've never seen it with another brand, so I would highly recommend you check this out. Mamonde gets a complete thumbs up from me, totally Angelica approved. I'm so excited to do this pore cleaning trio, you know, a few times a month to keep my skin looking perfect, or just incorporating, you know, one product from this trio randomly into my every nighttime routine. As y'all notice, I review a lot of skincare, so I can't use every trio or every product like every night, but a lot of times I'll just grab, oh, let me try a toner from this brand, or a cleaning moisturizer from this brand, or this clay mask, and I'll just kind of make a nice little mashup. And I have my favorites and my go-tos, which are all ones that I've done reviews on for you, and this will definitely be added to that. So that is all I have to say about this brand. I absolutely love it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram because that is where I engage a lot with you guys. I do a ton of Q&As there. I let you guys pick out my products for upcoming reviews, and I love doing this for you guys. That's why I do it. So I obviously want to do products that you want to see reviews on. So make sure to follow me there. I have attached my Instagram handles right here again, but the link for my Instagram is below. Other than that, guys, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!